arithmetic sequence. So what is arithmetic sequence? In arithmetic sequence, we will going to use this formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied by d, where a sub n is the nth term of the sequence, while a sub 1 is the first term. N is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. When we talk about common difference, it's either a positive integer or a negative integer. When the common difference in a sequence is a positive, then the sequence is increasing. While when the common difference is a negative integer, then the sequence is decreasing. In this example, given this sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11, the first thing we need to do is to find out if the given sequence is an arithmetic sequence or not. And how can we do that? First, we need to find out if there is a common difference between these terms. So, all you have to do to find out the difference or the common difference is to subtract first the second term to the first term. So, 3 minus 1, having this formula, common difference is a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to a sub 2 is 3 minus 1 as our first term. So we have d is equal to 2. So the common difference or the difference between the second term and the first term is 2. So we have to do that until the last term. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Then 7 minus 5 is 2. Then 9 minus 7 is 2. And then 11 minus 9 is 2. So we can say that the given sequence is an arithmetic sequence because we have common difference of 2. So we are asked to find the 10th term of this sequence. So by using common difference, we can easily find out the 10th term. For example, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth term. So given this sequence and using the common difference of 2, we can easily find out the 10th term. So this is the 6th term, the 7th term, the 8th term, the 9th term, and the 10th term. So using the common difference, we can easily find the 10th term. But what if we are asked to find out the 56th term or the 108th term? Can we do it manually? Of course not. With humor. So we will try to find the 56th term using this formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. First, we need to find out the given. So we have a sub 1, right? A sub 1 is equal to 1. N, so the number of terms. So we have 56. And our common difference is 2. So difference is 2. So all you have to do is to substitute this given to our formula. So we have a sub 56 because we are looking for the 56th term is equal to a sub 1, which is 1, plus n is 56 number of terms minus 1 multiplied by d, our common difference, which is 2. So all you have to do is to compute. So we have 1 plus quantity 56 minus 1 is 55 multiplied by 2. Then we have 1 plus 55 times 2 is 110. Then 110 plus 1 is 111. So A56 or A sub 56 is 111. So the 56th term of this sequence is 111. So easy, right? Example number 2. Given this sequence, 7, 4, 1, negative 2, negative 5, and so on. Now, first, we need to find out if the sequence is an arithmetic or not. So what we will going to do? Find the common difference. So D is equal to A sub 2 minus A sub 1 and so on. So A sub 2, we have 4 minus 7, we got negative 3. Right? Substitute to the formula. 4 minus 7, we have negative 3. So the difference between the second term and the first term is negative 3. So we will do that until the last term. So 1 minus 4, we also have negative 3. Negative 2 minus 1, we have negative 3. Negative 5 minus negative 2, we also have negative 3. So we have common difference, so we can conclude that this sequence is an arithmetic sequence. We are asked to find the 20th term of this sequence. So let's write first our sequence. So 7, 4, 1, negative 2, negative 5, and so on. Then, what are the given? So we have A sub 1, N, and D. So A sub 1 is 4, number of terms. So we are asked to find out the 20th term. Next, common difference. So we have negative 3. Using the formula, A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Substitute. So A sub 20, because we're looking for that 20th term, is equal to A sub 1. First term, we have 7 plus number of terms is 20 minus 1 multiplied by D. So we have negative 3. Then, compute. So is equal to 7 plus 20 minus 1 is 19. So 19 multiplied by negative 3. So 7 plus 19 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 57. So 7 minus 57 is negative 50. So our A sub 20 or the 20th term of this sequence is negative 50.
Next is arithmetic means, which is the term or terms in between two terms. For this example, let's say this is an arithmetic sequence. We have 2, a term, and 6. Now to find the arithmetic mean, for this example, we can use this formula. Arithmetic mean equals A plus B all over 2. Wherein A is the preceding term, which is 2, and B is the next term, which is 6, of the missing term. Now we substitute the given to the formula we have. Arithmetic mean equals 2 plus 6 all over 2. Now 2 plus 6 is 8 over 2. Now we have the arithmetic mean, which is 4. Now our arithmetic sequence is 2, 4, 6, and so on. In this example, we have 3 arithmetic means, meaning there are 3 missing terms between 2 terms. And those 2 terms are 15 and 3. Now in finding this means, we can use the given equation or formula before. We can use this formula by maximizing all the given information in this example. Now we all know that 15 is the first term. Now we also have 3, which is obviously the 5th term. Now we can substitute 15 to A sub 1. Thinking of it, we can also substitute 3 as A sub n if n is equal to 5. Now we do substitution. 3 is equal to 15 plus n, which is 5 minus 1 times d. We simplify this equation. We have 3 equals 15 plus 4d. We use the addition property of equality. 3 minus 15, 4D. Simplify, we have negative. Divide both sides by 4. Now we have negative 3 equals D. Now that we know the value of D, which is negative 3, we just add the value of D to the first term and so on. 15 plus negative 3 is 12, plus negative 3 is 9, plus negative 3 is 6, plus negative 3 is obviously 3.